In this video, we'll see by far the most important wave formula, the one you use by far the most on the MCAS, and that is V equals F lambda, lambda being wavelength, right? Velocity is the velocity of the wave, and frequency is the wave's frequency. This is the formula that ties those two together. Here's a problem very similar to the one you're doing in your worksheet. Let's read it. On a stormy day, ocean waves travel at 50 meters per second with a frequency of 6 hertz. What is the wavelength of the waves? Now, here's what you should think when you see a problem like that. First, this requires a calculation, which means I'm going to need a formula. And second, I should use Mr. Kent's precious blue sheet method. I know I sound like a broken record on this, but it's just going to make your life so much easier. You'll get so many more of these right if you do this. Your video code is Irving. Now, I'm not actually going to use a blue sheet, but I'm going to do it just like one, which you can do on the MCAS. You get plenty of blank paper to do this, right? Let's read this. Stormy day, ocean waves, 50 meters per second. V equals 50 meters per second. With a frequency of 6 hertz. Little f equals 6 hertz. What is the wavelength? Well, that's lambda, right? Equals question mark. Easy enough, right? So you got to use these three things to find your formula, don't you? And if you use them, you'll find that one. So we use it. Plug in the 15 for V, plug in the 6 for F, divide by 6, and you'll get a wavelength of 2.5 meters. Now that's not difficult, is it? In fact, it'll be very, very easy if you use the blue sheet method. If you don't, you may spend 3 minutes wondering what the heck formula am I going to use. If you use the blue sheet method, this will tell you, right? So you can use V equals F lambda for all kinds of waves. We have all waves that break into two large categories, mechanical and electromagnetic. You recall mechanical is broken into transverse waves, like that like the crests and troughs across that center line. That's a transverse wave. We also have longitudinal waves. The most important longitudinal wave down here under mechanical is sound waves. And over here on the electromagnetic side we have the spectrum, remember? All from radio all the way up to gamma. Okay, that's it. Using this formula, V equals F lambda is easy. And use your blue sheet method, please. Bye.